So you want to start a t-shirt business in 2021? Or maybe you just want to get your t-shirt business growing again. I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and I'm excited to introduce a live educational event that's been designed just for you. And best of all, you can watch it from the comfort of your home because it's completely and totally virtual. We've put together a dozen new classes that's going to show you the latest how-to information and the latest trends that are going to help you grow in 2021. I think we're all excited to kick 2020 out the door, and we're going to help you do that. You have new goals, and you should for your business, and we're going to help you achieve them in our Heat Press for Profit live educational event. Now, this just isn't just any event. This is an event where you can get hands-on with products as well. It's absolutely free if you just want to attend for those 3 days. Absolutely free. You can sign up at the link in the description. However, I would highly encourage you to do this, and that's to purchase our hands-on how-to kit that goes along with the event. If you already own a heat press, you'll be able to execute looks along with the presenters as they present them, to not only pick up the information while they do it, but also to create awesome samples that are going to help you sell online, in person, wherever we're at in 2021. I want to talk a little bit about that kit and what it costs and get you excited to be able to get this kit in your door before the event starts. So let's take a look at what's inside this box. The box will arrive to you just like this, with all of the looks ready to heat apply. You'll get an instruction sheet that talks through the product that's provided. That's the transfer product that you'll apply as part of the class. You'll also get information on the blank apparel, the style number, and where you can shop for that style. I'm going to lay all these out so we can look at each item individually. Now that we have everything laid out, let's review the item and the transfer that's included in each. We've created these in such a way that they're building blocks to your heat press education, so you can accommodate an assortment of items with an assortment of products. Again, a screen printed transfer. This is the core product that you'll want to use in your business with a heat press. It's a plastisol ink. We'll also be able to teach you about Ultra Color Soft and the advantages of digital screen printed transfers onto this performance polo. Heat transfer vinyl, a big category as well, and you'll get to experience a basic heat transfer vinyl CAD Cut Ultra Weed and apply it onto this trendy t-shirt. You'll be able to do mixed media as well. In this case, we're using two special effect heat transfer vinyls, creating a sample from soft foam in CAD Cut Metallic, which is a foil-like finish, onto this high-end fleece garment that's trending right now. Headwear, no problem as well. You'll be able to learn the advantages of dimensional logos to raise your profits with this leather patch, as well as this sublimated twill patch that you'll be able to apply to this high-end backpack. So lots of different items that you'll be able to print along with us, not only different transfer types, but different products that have been provided from these blank apparel wholesalers. Now I want to remind you, the event itself is absolutely free. However, this hands-on sample kit can be purchased in advance of the event for $129. You'll receive the box to your business or to your home, and you'll be able to follow along with the presenters. It's important to have a heat press, but if you don't have the heat press yet, this still has value, so you can touch and feel the products and be prepared when you take advantage of one of the show specials on heat presses or heat transfer vinyl that we'll be providing at the event. Now, we want to figure out how many people will want this kit because supplies are limited. So what we've done is we've created a special offer. If you register by November 30th and check out with this kit in your cart in the description below, you can get this whole kit for just $99. So, do you want to jumpstart your business in 2021? Well then, I would suggest that you sign up for Heat Press for Profit Live. It's going to be a great 3 days, and we're going to pour all of our energy into helping you grow your business. Make sure you visit the links below to learn more.